This video will serve as a basic introduction to the Dexalot application. When you go to app.dexalot.com/trade, you'll be met with this screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of available trade pairs, and as you select a different trade pair, the screen will update with the information for that given trade pair. To the right of that, you have the order book, where you can see all of the buy and sell orders other people have put in, as well as any orders that you have in the order book. In the center of the screen is a chart of the trade history for the selected trade pair, and to the right of that is a more detailed version of that trade history. The center bottom of the page, you have 4 tabs. Those are Trade, Orders, Portfolio, and Transfers. The Trade tab is where you can put in buy and sell orders. Orders is where you can see your open and closed orders, as well as inspect orders for more details. Portfolio is where you can see what funds you have available for trading, as well as what funds are in your portfolio or your MetaMask wallet. And transfers is where you can see your history of deposits and withdrawals. That's a basic overview of the Dexalot application. For more detailed tutorials, check below.